The Actuator Power Consumption Calculator calculates the electrical power requirements in watts based on your actuator's force and speed parameters. Let's walk through each input field. First, we have force F, with a drop-down menu offering newtons or pounds. I'll use newtons for this demonstration. Next is speed V, where you can select between millimeters per second or inches per second. I'm selecting millimeters per second. Finally, there's supply voltage V, where you enter your system voltage, such as 12 volts. For our example, I'll enter a force of 500 newtons, a speed of 25 millimeters per second, and a supply voltage of 12 volts. After clicking Calculate Power Consumption, the calculator determines your actuator's power requirements. The results show the mechanical power needed based on the force-speed relationship, the electrical power consumption accounting for typical actuator efficiency, and the current draw at your specified voltage. These values help you properly size your power supply, select appropriate wiring, and ensure your control system can handle the electrical load. This tool eliminates manual calculations and helps prevent undersized power systems. Find the link in the description below.